Hello everyone, welcome back to Nisha's kitchen. So today we are going to make Khubani ka meetha. Khubani is nothing but dry apricot. So let's start making our delicious Khubani ka meetha. So our first step is we are going to boil our khubani. So this is soaked for 3 to 4 hours. So if you soak it overnight, it is well and good. So now I'll be, boiling it till it is tender. So let's, give it a stir. Now close it and cook this for half an hour till it is tender. Here I have taken 1 cup milk. So pan is on medium flame. Now here I have taken 3/4 cup of water. Half a cup I'll be adding to the milk, and this quarter cup will go in with the custard powder. I have taken 2 tablespoon custard powder. I'll be diluting the custard powder with the remaining water. So mix it very well so that there are no lumps. Just look at the consistency. It's a running consistency. Once the milk is hot, I'll be adding it to that. You can see milk is hot. Now let's add our custard powder, which is diluted in the water. Now stir well. So you can see the consistency. It should be creamy without any lumps. Now at this stage I'll be adding nearly 100 grams of sugar. Sugar is as per your taste. If you want your custard to be very sweet, you can add more. Stir well till the sugar dissolves. You can see as the bubbles pop up, we are going to switch off the flames. Yes, you can just look at the consistency. It should be in a running consistency. I'm switching off the flame and now I'll take it out in a bowl. So my custard is ready. I'll just keep it aside and let it cool down. Now let's check our apricots. We can see they are done. Let me check. Yes, it is done. So let's close it and keep it for 10 minutes and then we will remove the seeds. Yeah, now you can see it's been 10 minutes. It has cooled down. Now I'll be removing the seeds from the apricots. I'll just show you some. You can see how it is. You can just press it and the seed will come out. In the same way, I'm going to remove all the seeds from my apricot. So this apricot sweet, which is known as Khubani, is very good for our health. It is very nutritious and it will help to improve the circulation of our blood. So see that you remove all the seeds from your khubani. I have removed all the seeds now. So the seeds I'll be using it later. I'll show you what to do with the seeds. Yes, now I'm going to blend this to a fine paste. Khubani is ready now. You can see the paste. It is very fine. Now again I am going to put it on flames. It should be on medium flame. In this I will be adding around 150 ml of sugar. It is around 6 to 7 tablespoons. Mix it well and we'll be cooking it till the sugar dissolves and there is one string consistency. Now here I've added a pinch of color. This is optional. If you want you can add, otherwise you can skip. I like that yellow color, that's the reason I have added. That yellow will slowly mix with the sugar and turn to little orange, reddish orange color. Now stir well. As you can see how it is bubbling up. So we are going to cook it for at least 10 minutes on medium flame. So now you can see the consistency, it is very thick. So as the sugar dissolves, it will become little running consistency. It's been 5 minutes friends. You can just look at the color and the consistency. Both have changed a little. So we are going to continuously stir it. Yes, you can see it's become little running consistency. So we are going to cook it till one string consistency. So let it cook for another 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. You can just look at it. Look at the consistency. Yes, it's been 3 minutes friends. Now I'm switching off the flame. Now let it cool down completely. So these are the almonds which I have de-seeded from the apricot seeds. This process is very easy. You can just knock it out with the help of a hammer. Okay, this I'll be using it for garnishing. Now let's start assembling our dessert. I have taken a glass. So first layer goes in is our apricot, that's a khubani, and the second layer is our custard. So the same way we are going to fill our glass, one layer of khubani and the other of custard. So presentation depends on you friends. I have done in a glass. You can do it as you wish. So finally I'll finish it with whipped cream. I have whipped cream. You can replace it with ice cream if you want. You can see how beautiful the layers are looking. Now let's add the almonds and finish our dish. Our delicious khubani ka meetha is ready to be served friends. You can serve it chill and enjoy. If you like my recipe, do subscribe, like and share with your friends. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can be updated by my latest recipes. Thank you once again friends for watching and encouraging me. I'll be back very soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, signing off, Sheena.